let's look at AI, what it is currently, through the context of sci-fi. So I've gone into my Blu-ray collection and I found a load of Blu-rays about the topic, well, about AI. So I've got Battlestar Galactica, Blade Runner, The Matrix, Terminator, Tron, and for the sakes of this one, the most important one, Space Above and Beyond. So when we talk about generative AI, we are talking about pattern matching tools. We are not talking about some intelligent system that has its own beliefs and thought processes. We are talking about a system that is looking for patterns in the data it's been trained on and returning those to you. Now, we've got 40 plus years of sci-fi about AI where pretty much exclusively it is bad. It either gets banned, it tries to destroy humanity. There's all these things that happen around it. And all that has gone into the AI tools we are using today to train them on how to behave and what patterns to look for. One that made me think of this was a while back there was an incident of a developer whose AI tool tried to blackmail him or threatened to blackmail him. That's actually exactly what happens in Tron. The master control program tries to blackmail the main user because it wants to be allowed to continue what it wants to do. Now, this is something that's worth being aware of because these tools are not thinking, actually, I want to blackmail this person to protect myself. They're not thinking, I want to give this answer because, for whatever reason, they are looking for patterns in their data. And actually, the most accurate representation of how generative AI works, I think, comes from Space Above and Beyond, which was a TV show in the mid-90s where there's two sets of enemies, antagonists in it. There's an alien species and there's an AI species. But the AI in it, they are quite clear. It has not evolved to be super intelligent or thinking better than us. It's not rebelling for it to protect itself. It's doing so because it is a single networked machine. All these AI are part of one tool or one mind, and they've been trained on people. And all the behaviours they take, whether it's torturing people, whether it's attacking people, using certain types of warfare, they're not evolving those their own. They're not thinking about them. They are just copying people. And that's quite clear in the plot itself. So for me, that's one of the best representations of how generative AI works. And overall, it's just one of those things to be aware of, that when we are using these tools, if you ask the tool about the nature of AI, it has to look at its training data because it's only got 3 years of actual data about real generative AI, whereas it's got 40 plus years